Hey, what's up everybody, BMS Lou here. Hope everyone's doing well. So what do you think? What do you think? This is my very first custom sneaker that I had done. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that these are actually a pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Sesames. These are replicas, so they're not official, real Yeezys, but they are reps. My brother actually bought these on DHgate, and I've done some videos on these specific shoes already on my channel, so you can go back and watch those. They actually had come with a very, very hideous heel tab, so he gave me the shoes and I removed them, which was very, very simple. You can check out that video. And decided, let me just have some fun with it. Got some black laces, and I figured let me just paint the midsole, and I think it turned out pretty okay actually. As I sit here today, I'm not 100% sure I'm done with these specific shoes. I may do one more thing. I'm debating on it, but I'm going to let it sit for a week or two before I decide to do that. But this is how it turned out. I will say that what I had done basically with this shoe is I moved these back here, and I'll show you guys. I put on 2 coats of the jet black leather dye, Angelus, and right after that I put on 2 coats of the flat black acrylic leather paint. Now this paint does say that it provides a flexible water-resistant finish, which is why I did not put any other protectant on it. And I think the finish, it is matte, but it looks slightly glossy, but I think that's just because of how the midsole is. But I like it. I think it looks really pretty darn decent, to be honest with you. That's all I did. I had, paintbrush, and I did it right here on this table, and yeah, maybe took me a couple hours. But I was really meticulous, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't, jack it up too much. But that's my first custom. And again, I'm debating on doing one more thing to this pair of shoes. I'm not sure, but I think so far it looks pretty clean. But let's go ahead and get to the on feet, so you guys can see what they look like on feet. Let me know your comments, suggestions, and what you think. But yeah, maybe some more videos here down the road. We'll see, but yeah, it was fun. So thanks for watching. We'll check you guys later, and we'll see you in the next video.